Hello and welcome to the Fairview Heights Toastmasters Club, and congratulations on becoming a member. You will receive an email that says action required. This is to be able to log in to the club website, which is different from the international site. The club site will have your agenda where you can sign up to do your speeches, be a timer, the grammarian, all the local information. When you click on the Take Action Required in your email, you will see this. You will come down to I agree or I decline. Please hit agree. And now you are officially added to the roster. From here, we will go to the website and we'll get you a password, logged onto the site, and we'll show a couple little things in there to get you started. You are looking for Fairview Heights Toastmaster Club 4206. It is fairviewheights.toastmastersclubs.org. This will take you to your first time membership. And with some search engines such as Microsoft Bing, when you go to the web page, it may ask you something along these lines, where it says you can't go on because it's not secure. All you need to do is go down to Advanced, then Continue, and then you can go to Home if it brings you up to that page to get to your login or login down there. For whatever reason, it's just saying that it's not secure, but you're not putting in any credit card information. I think that's what they're worried about, but you should still be able to get to the main thing by doing those two little steps if that comes up. When you go to Google, I have not had any issues with having to do that advance in the other link. I am doing this off a laptop. Off your phone, it will look slightly different. You will have a blue bar up here with three little white line icons, which will pull down this menu on an iPhone. For your first time logging in, you will go to Login, Members Login. You will type in the beginning of your name. It will pull a drop box down. You will then click on that. That will automatically fill that in. Now, if this is your first time logging in, do not put any type of password if you haven't created it yet. Username above, then click Alternative Login below without entering a password. A link will be emailed to you to set your password. So you would click that. After you follow those prompts and create your password, okay, you have created a password. You've got your Dropbox, your name is in, you put in your password, and you go to, and there you are. You are now in the club website.